Hello friends, today we'll see air conditioning by Professor V.S. Kalmani. Now what is air conditioning? Definition of air conditioning: it is a branch of engineering science which deals with the study of conditioning of the air, that is temperature of air, humidity of air, purity of air and motion of air. In short, it is a simultaneous control of temperature, humidity, air purity and air movement. Necessity of air conditioning: it is necessary for human comfort, industrial application, food processing and storage of food and other material. Now air, what is the meaning of air? Air is a mixture of nitrogen, oxygen and small amounts of some other gases. Atmospheric air is equal to dry air plus moist air. Moist air is nothing but it is a containing water vapors. Dry air means it does not contain any water vapor. Dalton's law of partial pressure. Equation of Dalton's law of partial pressure, it is P is equal to PA plus PV. That unit is kilopascal. Properties of the air, that is known as psychometric properties. Psychometric properties are dry bulb temperature, wet bulb temperature, dew point temperature, relative humidity, humidity ratio, etc. Now dry bulb temperature and wet bulb temperature, it is measured by using that is psychometer. Psychometer is nothing but it is two thermometer, it is fitted on one platform. It is psychometer. One thermometer is ordinary thermometer and second thermometer, its bulb is covered with wet wick. By using ordinary thermometer, we are using dry bulb temperature, and by using that second wet bulb thermometer whose bulb is covered with wet wick, we are measuring wet bulb temperature. This is diagram of sling psychometer. Here also these are the two thermometers for measuring dry bulb temperature and wet bulb temperature. This is dew point temperature. Dew point temperature means that is the temperature at which dew formation start is known as dew point temperature. This is absolute or specific humidity or humidity ratio. Absolute humidity means mass of water vapor present in a unit volume of air is known as absolute humidity. Specific humidity means mass of water vapor present in a unit mass of air is known as specific humidity, and humidity ratio is nothing but it is a specific humidity of given air to the specific humidity of the saturated air. This is relative humidity. Relative humidity means that is a mass of water vapor present in a unit volume of a given air to mass of water vapor present in a same volume of saturated air is known as relative humidity. This is fog occurs when air is saturated. Saturated air means that is air is holding maximum amount of water vapor, at that time fog occurs. Psychometric chart. Psychometric chart, it is used to determine different psychometric properties. So limitation of psychometric chart, we must know minimum two properties before using the psychometric chart, and those two properties are determined by using psychometer, and those properties are nothing but DBT and WBT. So this is psychometric chart. So these are the vertical lines, it represents dry bulb temperature. Now see, all lines are parallel with each other, all lines are drawn by medium continuous line and equally spaced. All are vertical vertical lines. From left to right, that temperature is increased, and from right to left, temperature is decreased. These are the wet bulb temperature lines on psychometric chart. Now see, these lines are also drawn by medium continuous line. All lines are parallel with each other but not equally spaced. Direction, inclined line. When it is moving, we are moving upward direction, temperature increases, and when we are moving downward direction, temperature decreases. Third type, so this is a combination of dry bulb temperature lines and wet bulb temperature lines simultaneously. Again, increasing and decreasing directions are shown. Then next, these are the specific humidity lines. All lines are horizontal lines, parallel with each other, equally spaced and drawn by medium continuous line. And here, direction like this, where it is moving in upward direction, value increases, moving in downward direction, value decreases. So this is the three lines on psychometric chart: DBT, WBT and specific humidity. These are the relative humidity lines. All lines are curved lines and it is drawn by dark continuous line. When we are moving in upward direction, value increases, moving downward direction, value decreases. So this is a combination of all lines simultaneously. This is enthalpy scale. WBT lines are moved forwarded up to the enthalpy scale, and whatever scale occurs, that shows enthalpy of air at that point. When we are moving in upward direction, value increases. When we are moving downward direction, value decreases. So this is a combination of all lines simultaneously. These are the specific volume lines. These are the inclined lines drawn by dark continuous line parallel with each other and equally spaced. Direction, here right side value increases, left side value decreases, and this is a combination of all lines. And this is psychometric chart, and this psychometric chart is readily available, which can be used to determine different properties. Only limitation, as I told, we must know two properties. If we know two properties, then and then only this chart we can use, and those two properties are determined by using psychometer. Thank you.